So let's start with the basics. First of all, just to show you, we've logged in as Emily North, our events coordinator. And we're now looking at her default Outlook calendar, where we can see that she's got 2 recurring weekly meetings. But apart from that, so far it's wide open. Now going into Agendex, we can see those same meetings. And once Emily has logged in, then she can go to her settings and personal settings to view her personal booking link. By default, it'll take the username, but the user can go and change this to something else if they want. They can then copy this link and include it in an email or their email signatures, which external users would then use to access her calendar. Now, one of the first options they might want to look at, going to My Availability for the settings, there's a lot of stuff going on here. So let's start with some very basic stuff. First off, by default, I am available for external meetings. If we were to turn this off and save, when an external user goes to her calendar, they will be able to see her calendar in the busy times, but they will not be able to send appointment requests. In other words, they're basically just looking at a read-only availability calendar. And again, like most of our calendars in Agendex, you can choose month view, week view, or day view. If Emily were to change that back and allow external meeting bookings, then users, if we were to refresh this here, would initially get a message to create an appointment. Please choose a date and right click on it. So for example, if I wanted an appointment with Emily on Thursday at 10, I would just right click here and create event. And because we don't want bots going to book a ton of meetings in users' calendars, we're going to prompt the external user for their name and email. And once they send that, they will get a link via email that they can just click on and come back and finish the appointment request.